Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you how to create two-side document in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to take a blank page or existing document. I will take blank page and create a draw box. Go to Insert menu, draw text box and draw the box, and now format menu will be shown automatically, and click the column, select the two columns and go to view menu and check mark the boundaries. You can add your text. You can add two columns another way. Go to columns, more columns, and select the number of columns. You can add a spacing from here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching.